Crude oil and natural gas continued to trade bearish today. We have seen a massive gap down opening in crude oil today, and it has continued the momentum. We have seen it hitting the lows at 67, while natural gas was also accompanied crude oil here, and it has moved towards 2.98 levels. What to expect now from oil and gas? Can we expect a recovery here, or it is going to crash further? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We will try to find out the levels at which you can take a trade, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis, and I'll give you a proper reasoning for the trade. This is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis every day. First with the Asia session, next with the US session. This is the second update for the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. See, first of all, a massive gap down was seen here in oil. I have not seen this in recent times. The almost 72 to 69, $3 of gap is left here. Now, since then, what has happened? It has delivered lower lows. It has failed to break on the upside, and it has crashed further. Now, $67 levels are a good support zone, and then 66.5, very good support zone. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. We can only confirm that it is turning bullish if it trades above 69. That is the only point above which we can say that the crude oil WTI is turning bullish. Else, as long as it stays below 69, we have to be cautious here with the buys. Stochastic definitely is oversold, while the MACD and RSI both have hit an oversold zone here. Coming to 2 hour, when you see the 2 hour charts, it appears it has found its bottom and it is trying to show a bit of recovery. We can say that it may try to trade like this with modest recovery here, and we should notice that now oil has to break first 68.5, 68.6 zone, and then 69. If these two levels are taken, we can expect an up move, and we can expect an attempt by oil to fill the gap here. Now, see, I will expect that oil to trade in this moderate bearish channel here, where the prices can in fact move towards 70 very, very soon. But right now, the momentum is not very much supportive of bulls here. The stochastic here is also at bottom. MACD is trading sharply bearish, and RSI is oversold. Coming to 3 hour chart, when you see the 3 hour charts, you'll find lower lows and lower highs are seen. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The highs it needs to break is at 68.6 and 69 in order to turn bullish. Right now, the momentum is very much bearish. Also, remember it is outside Bollinger Bands, and it is putting pressure on the bands to expand. And see, bands have expanded sharply on the downside. There has to be a little recovery. Even if it has to trade bearish, it can try to move towards this zone, and in fact can attempt to bridge the gap, if not today, sooner or later, this week or next week. And yes, once it breaks out beyond 72, that is a part of reversal. Right now, the momentum is not supportive of the bulls. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish, and RSI have also hit the bottom here. On the 4, the observation is more or less same. See, it is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a little recovery can be expected. You can buy here at 67.8, expect 68.2, 68.5 as the first target zone, and once it stays above this, chances will be high that we may see 69 here, and a move above 69 definitely will be an indication that we may see 70, 71, and 72 levels very, very soon. But for the day, I think it is going to be a difficult task. But if you look at the formation here as well, rise, retrace, drop, retracement, drop, consolidation, and it is giving a breakout. Now, breakout here is a thing that we should keep a check on, because breakout here means it can attempt to hit the lows before bouncing back. Where are the lows positioned here? Towards 65 levels. This one point we should focus on. The stochastic here is also oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is staying at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now, before we move to the daily charts and I give you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, it is very important for you to have a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure, which offers you easier transactions and withdrawals from across the globe any point of time. Do join it today and enjoy the lowest spreads and lowest fees. Now, if you look at the daily charts, I've been telling since long, see, this is how oil has been trading. What has happened today? It has breached this channels and it has come down to the levels which we had seen in the recent past. Now, this is definitely a good support zone here between 67 to 65. Look at this, whenever it has attempted to break this, we have seen it bouncing back strong. Now, again, it has come down to the zone from where a recovery cannot be denied, but I will say this time, because see, this is breached this channel here. This is a retracement channel. After this long sharp bearish trend, it has breached this channel. It is right now trading bearish. So one possibility which you should not ignore is of prices hitting the double bottom here towards 65 before showing a recovery. The stochastic looking down, MACD trading sharply bearish, and RSI has dropped. So looking at this for the day, remember, only above 69 we should treat this as bullish, and till then any position you are taking on the buy side, you have to be extremely cautious. You can buy here at 67.8 levels, but with the caution note that 68.2, 68.5 it needs to break, and then 69. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 70, 71, 72 levels very very soon, else it is right now not showing any signs of recovery. On the downside, now I'll recommend you to sell here at 67 levels, expect it to move towards 66.6, 66.5 levels, and then 66, 66.2. If these two levels are taken, very soon we are heading towards 64.8, 65 zone, which is also going to remain a prime support zone. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas today. See, first of all, it was trading with the support. It has breached this support after a while here, and I have mentioned earlier in the day, see, it is trading slightly overbought and the chances of a breakdown is strong. Now it appears it is heading towards 2.9 5 2.92 zone, which is going to remain a very good support zone here, and then 2.9 levels. If and only if you see net gets trading below 2.9, we can say that the bears will be back in action. See what is happening here: drop rate or consolidation, and then this massive breakout has appeared. So certainly it is breaking the bullish trend which it was observing, or in which it was trading since long now. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to an extremely oversold zone. MACD is also trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. I'll show you something on the 4-hour and daily charts, which will confirm that why it should drop and why it has dropped here. See, look at the formation here. It was trading with the support from the 20 period. It has breached the support and now moving downwards. The possibility of the price is moving towards 2.9 to 2.9 zone, like this is strong here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to extremely oversold zone, and the MACD is again trading with divergence. What did I say earlier? One, two, three crossovers, three attempts on the downside, and now it has taken a sharper correction. This is the beauty of analysis. I've mentioned it has hit the highest possibility of a retracement exit. RSI here has dropped sharp as well. And when you see the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same here. See, it is breaking this bullish channel and now trying to move downwards. Now, this could be the beginning of the slight retracement in natural gas, where 2.9, 2.8 levels appears to be feasible. Stochastic here has come to oversold zone. Look at the MACD. It has crossed over at the top, showing sharp divergence here, which suggests that it can in fact plummet hard, and we can look forward to 2.9 to 2.9 as the first target. Below this, 2.86 is should be the second, and then 2.8 levels will appear very soon. RSI dropping sharp. It has come out of the from the overbought zone, and when you see the 4-hour on the 4-hour charts, it is very important now for gas to trade below 2.95 levels, which is also very good support. It is getting the support from the 20 period moving average. Yes, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has breached this, and below 2.95 is where we can look forward to more bearish momentum towards 2.9 to 2.9 zone, the next support zone. Yes, it is trying to break this bullish channel, or it has breached this bullish channel already and trying to move downwards. Stochastic drop sharp. Now look at MACD. After hitting the highs, it has crossed over looking downwards, which means more bearishness may prevail here and natural gas may start to retrace. We can see it hitting 2.8 possibly very soon. RSI is also dropped sharp. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can find out a reversal sign has appeared after six bullish or greener candles. And also notice the fact that, see, it has formed this flag and it has breached this flag. It is already staying bullish here. but it is showing signs of retracement. And now what it may try to do, it can try to move towards 2.8 2.84 zone before bouncing back later this week. So this one possibility we should not ignore. Yes, it may take 2 to 3 candles for it to move towards 2.8 before reversing here. Stochastic overbought. MACD, on the daily charts, MACD has just crossed over, and on the daily charts, MACD suggests that it has got a lot much of room on the upside. RSI looking downwards as well. So considering this, first of all, a buying entry today in net gas is only and only if it stays now above $3 levels, and specifically above 3.0405 zone. If and only if it breaks beyond 3.0405, you can say this is a reversal and we are looking forward to a stronger rally again. As long as it stays below 3.0405, do not treat this as bullish here. Be very careful on the buy side if you're taking a buying position at $3 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.95 itself, where you can expect 2.9 to 2.9 as the first target zone, 2.86, 2.87 as the second, and then 2.83, 2.8 levels will appear. If not today, some point of time tomorrow, we may see 2.8 before it shows any sign of recovery here. So yes, signs are slightly bearish, but I will say not for the near term, not on the weekly or monthly basis. I will not treat natural gas as bearish on the weekly and monthly basis. It is just starting to retrace before it starts to recover and move upwards again. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signal channel. Do not miss to watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Just join the free Telegram channel for live updates and press the bell icon here to get the notification. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.